I would like also here to say thank you for all institutes participated in this workshop. I namely thanking all our strategic partners, universities, institutes who came again to this workshop. I would like to thank my colleagues also from العين University for their continuous support, College of Pharmacy, IT Center, our PR.
One of the things I was gratified to see was that this workshop had direct contributions by the participating schools this year, and there were formal presentations by AIN University, Gulf Medical University, Lebanese International University, and Batterjee Medical College.
This workshop would not happen without the support and underwriting of AIN University. They make it possible. Without them, it would not be possible. So Chancellor Noor and your entire team, thank you very much.